Vanakkam, I am ARVIND BALI, CEO for Telecom Sector Skill Council. I am very happy to meet you all digitally. Britco&Bridco is Telecom Sector Skill Council's very strong partner. Britco&Bridco is pioneer in handset repair courses. I think they've got a unique model, and this model at Telecom Sector Skill Council we are trying to replicate in various other industries. The model is unique in its way because there is workshops which are related to handset repair. Institute is adjoining those workshops. So youth, while doing theoretical study, they also get a chance to really see practically how to repair. They are also given on-the-job assignment, and youth who actually get skill trained, they actually know their job very well. We have opened with them skill centers outside Kerala in other states. We have also got a center with Britco&Bridco in Dubai. It is a very good entrepreneurship model because I met a lot of alumni in Dubai from Britco&Bridco, and they are running their own workshops, or they are working with some very good shops on a revenue share basis. So they are doing actually very well. I think it is a real good skill institute which is providing absolute on-the-job great training, so that youth, when they are passing out, they know their subject. They are so confident, they know how well they can do. Another thing what I liked is that they also try to give on-job training outside the state where the student is actually working. It increases their exposure, it increases their confidence when they are working in state outside their hometown. So I think overall, very big appreciation for the work Britco&Bridco doing, and we at Telecom Sector Skill Council are very proud that we are certifying those youth, and we are also playing a major role in skilling of handset repair technicians or engineers which are coming out of Britco&Bridco. Thank you and wish you success.